Alright guys, what's going on? Hopefully you're having an incredible day. Today I want to give you a completely different video. The video is titled No Stimulus, No Problem, simply because I know a lot of people right now are worried, and if you are worried that there's no second stimulus check, there's no additional stimulus package coming anytime sooner, that's at least what it looks like. And if you didn't see my stimulus check update video or stimulus package news video for today, make sure you go and watch it. I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. But what I want to show you today is a legitimate way for you to make money, for you to get over $1,000 every single month. So really, no stimulus, no problem. I'm going to show you a way that you can make money today. Currently, I know there's a lot of people that are worried about there's no stimulus check coming, and they're worried about putting food on the table and keeping a roof over their head. And what I'm going to show you today, we're going to hop into the computer in just a second. I'm going to show you how you can actually make money. Now, today I want to show you a specific way. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. If you stick around till the end of this video, I'm going to show you two simple, super simple ways that you can make even easier money. So again, this is all online, it's absolutely free, and you can do it. So if you're ready, let's jump in the computer. I'm going to show you right now how you can make some money. So here we go. This is what I want to show you. This right here is called Textbroker.com. I'm going to show you a handful of websites that you can use to make money typing. All you have to do is sit on your computer, grab your keyboard, and start typing. That's it. Now, you can make some really good money. Look at this, okay? So if I click on this button that says I write content and payment, this is going to tell me how much you can potentially make. So a basic writer, somebody that's okay with English language, they would make about 0.7 cents per word, so not even 1 penny. But if you are a decent writer and you do a little bit better than average, you get paid 1 cent per word. Now, in order to make $1,000 in a month, you do not have to write 1,000,000 words. It's actually very simple. It's very easy to do. Now, the majority of people are going to get paid between 1 to 2 cents per word. And this is just with Textbroker.com. Now, this is just one website. There's another website right here. It's called Upwork.com. And if I click on writing, I'm not going to go and sign in or do any of that, but if I click on writing, look at this. Brianna E. is a freelance writer and editor from Texas. She makes $40 per hour. Jordan F. He's a martial arts writer. He makes $35 per hour from Arizona. From Utah, thorough and insightful editor, $40. Professional copy and article writer, $60 an hour. Okay, this is just hourly work. There's people that also make money by piecework. This one, $125 an hour. This one, $35 an hour, $95 and $55. You can go worldwide. You can see what everybody does. So it's not just people in the United States. Now, if I were to come here and let's say I type in writer, okay, look at this. So some of these people, these are the top Upwork freelancers. So if I want to go to, say, click on writing, I don't think it's going to let me unless I log in. Yeah, I need to log in, but I don't want to do that right now. Anyway, so you can seriously make a lot of money. Okay, there has been months. Now I don't do this a lot anymore, but in the past when I had a full-time freelance writing business, there were days where I was making over $1,000 in one day. So you can make a lot of money very quickly. And let's say you go to Textbroker, you sign up there. You go to Upwork, you sign up here. You go to Freelancer, which is just like Upwork. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, I'm just typing writer right there, and you're gonna see. So look at this. Looking for an excellent content writer, non-US or UK. They've been $83 on average. This one, $93 on average. You can go read all their jobs and see what they want you to write. And a lot of these jobs will seriously take you 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and you can possibly make $38, $50, $100 in an hour doing one simple writing job. Another one is ProBlogger.com/jobs. You go here, you're gonna see all these different jobs. Look at this one, okay? Writer for car and automotive website. Let me click on that because that one just came out today. This one right here, it tells you all about it. Tells you your requirements. Okay, the competitive freelancer rate is $30 per 1,000 words. That's really good. So one article per day is almost going to get you to $1,000, right, in a month. So that's just one job. Look at this. There's a lot more. A contract business-to-business writer. This right here, 2,000 plus word blog post. Does it say what they're paying? It doesn't. Doesn't say exactly what they're paying, but for a business-to-business content writer, you're probably looking about $50 per article. Now, if those websites don't work, there's another website out there. It's called Craigslist, and you can use this in any city, and you do not have to be in the city you are in. Now, I am currently in Seattle, Washington, so in Seattle, I can find jobs, or I could go to Boston, okay, just any U.S. city. I just clicked on Boston, go down to gigs, come up here to search, type writer, and it's going to bring all these different writers, okay? Freelance writer wanted, pay $50 per article. Rate of pay is $10 per 100 words. This comes out to approximately $50 per article for a 500 word article. That's really good, okay? 5 cents per word is really good, okay? Or is it 10 cents per word? Whatever it is, 10 cents per word, I believe. Anyway, so this is really good. You can make a lot of money doing this. Now, I know you're probably wondering, okay, that's great. So, okay, there's no stimulus check coming maybe. There might not be a stimulus package, but how can I still make money? How could I actually make $1,000 per month? Well, if you're not a good writer, look at this. You can go to Google. You can click up here on the Google Apps. Scroll down and click on Docs. When you do this, you'll click on blank. Okay, you'll click on tools, you'll go down to voice typing, and you will hit this button. Now here's the problem that I have right now, is I'm using a different computer, and so I actually do not have my microphone attached to this, and I'm not at my office, so I can't actually do that, but you'll click on this button. Now, I don't have a microphone attached to this computer yet, or right now, so I can't do it, but you just allow it, and whenever you talk, then Google will actually type everything that you are talking, that you are saying, okay? Remember, the tool is called voice typing. So you talk, Google types. So if you're not very quick at typing, but you're very good at speaking, you can articulate your message, this would be a good option for you. Now, if you don't want to do any of the work whatsoever, there's another option for you. Look at this. You can go right here to Fiverr.com, and you can hire people to write articles for you. Look at this, okay? Writer. Let's say you charge, let's say $25 for a 500 word article. That's great. You get paid $25. But if you can come here and hire somebody for like $10, then you would end up making $40 from that job. Let's say you find somebody that only charges $5. Well, let's look around and see. Well, there's another technical writer right here. They only have one review, so I probably wouldn't hire them, but $10 for a 500 word article, right? Pretty simple. And you keep going down and you can find different people to write articles for you, and you do not have to pay them what you are getting paid. You pay them what your agreed upon price is. So let's say you pay somebody $10 and you charge $40 for the article, then you just made $30 profit, and you didn't have to do any of the work. All you had to do was go and find somebody that is willing to pay you to write an article for them. So that's how simple this business model actually is. Now, one thing I just want to say is, I know a lot of people are currently struggling. They want to make more money, but they don't know how to do it. Well, this is how you can do it. Alright guys, there you go. So if you are worried that there's no stimulus check coming, there's no additional stimulus package going to get passed, I'm just saying right now that I would not wait around for the federal government to decide they want to send you some type of stimulus. They want to prolong the unemployment extension. They want to give PPP funding for small businesses. I would not recommend sitting around waiting for them to act, Because as of right now, it has been shown, it is very clear, the government is in a complete disarray and they do not care about the American people. So because of that, I'm doing whatever I can to help you make some money. So if you have questions on any of this, all you gotta do is comment down in the comment section below. Let me know how I can help, what questions you have, and I will try to walk you through it step by step. Now, if you didn't understand something, let me know what you didn't understand. Let me even know the time of the video that you became a little bit disoriented, you're not sure what to do next. I will make sure I answer your questions because I want to make sure everybody out there is making money. And if you can make money from home and stay safe, that's all the better. So thanks for watching today's videos. Thanks for watching today's no stimulus, no problem video. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comment section below. Do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button because that tells YouTube this is a quality video and they will share it with others. I guarantee you the more people that see this, the better off everybody will be. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one.